morning, guys. So you're probably like, what the hell is going on? Why do you have stuff on your face? So I just woke up. I sleep with like, it's a spot treatment. So I'm just gonna like eat my breakfast before I wash this off. So if I look like a freaking maniac, that's okay, but I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day. That's what this video is. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I'm really excited, and I've been trying to like food combine a little bit more and just try to be super conscious, and I'm going to show you guys that today, a whole day of what I eat. So let's just like jump into this. Okay. So, like I said, before I even get into like eating and stuff, I literally look insane, but it's okay. This is not going to be on all day. This is just like in the morning. I like to do like a mask and like a spot treatment. So yeah. Anyway, so in the morning, I really like to start my day out having something like in my stomach. It just helps with digestion. So either it's like celery juice, or it's warm lemon water, or a piece of fruit, something like that. I really like to coat my stomach before I even like eat anything. And that's like a really good tip if you have a problem with like digestion or whatever. Fruit digests faster than like actual food. So definitely try to like coat your stomach with something. I personally always do like lemon water. It's just like my favorite thing personally. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is just get some lemon water. And I'm wearing this huge comfy sweater. It's literally so comfortable and so big. It's literally like the best picture of lemon water you guys can see, because they do this like every day. So I'm just gonna take the lemon water, it's cold, and I'm going to like warm it up so that way it's like warm lemon water. It really helps with digestion, metabolism, all that good stuff. So I just have like a mug right here that I'm going to put some lemon water in. So here we go. Here's my warm lemon water. You guys can see there's just like a little lemon in there, and this is what I drink to like kind of coat my stomach before I get into like my actual like breakfast, if that makes sense. Which, by the way, this is not breakfast time for me. It is actually 12:15. I do intermittent fasting, so this is like my breakfast, if that makes sense, but it's like at 12 o'clock. So yeah. Okay guys, so for breakfast, I'm going to have the Vans gluten-free blueberry waffles. There's no high fructose, 21 grams of whole grain, dairy and egg-free, gluten-free. You guys know how it goes. I found these at Food Lion, and there's only 210 calories for 2 waffles, so 105 per little blueberry waffle. And sometimes I'll put fruit on them, sometimes I'll put peanut butter, sometimes I'll just leave them plain. It just depends. But I'm so excited. I love the regular ones, so this is just gonna be like amazing. So yeah, I'll show you guys once it's like prepared and everything. So while those are cooking, I'm just going to put some blueberries on my plate. I'm just going to have like a handful of these with my blueberry waffle as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm not saying that this is like the healthiest snack ever, but I love to snack on baby carrots, and I do have like French onion dip. So this is not like the healthiest thing ever, again, because it is made with sour cream, but I definitely want to find a recipe that makes this but like better. So I am going to snack on like a few of these baby carrots with some French onion dip for like a little snack, because I do get hungry pretty frequently, which is pretty normal when you're like burning calories and all that stuff. Okay guys, so this is what I'm eating for Ezekiel bread with avocado and red pepper flakes, and then a hard-boiled egg with everything but the bagel seasoning. Face is a little red because I just showered, so yeah, my face is a little red, but I'm gonna make dinner right now. If you guys don't know, my sister is at the hospital right now. She is literally getting induced right now, which is literally insane. She's gonna be having my nephew tomorrow, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna make some dinner, which I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, but we're gonna figure something out. Usually I'll eat like avocado toast, something like that. So that's what we're gonna do, is just make like some avocado toast or something. Tonight I'm just gonna have some kombucha, and then have these wraps, which are the Extreme Wellness 100% whole wheat wraps. And I'm gonna put my vegan chicken in it, the Morningstar like vegan chicken, right here, and you're gonna see me make that. Now, since I do fast, I eat it like a little after 12, so it's like 7 right now, so I'm going to make this wrap. Typically, I'll eat like a little bit more. You guys saw I had like a snack, but if I do eat lunch, like I said, it'll be like avocado toast or something like that, which I'll show you guys at another point in time. But for tonight, I'm gonna have a wrap, and then for dessert, I'm probably gonna have like something, which I'll show you guys. Hey guys, here is my dinner. It's just like a vegan chicken wrap with lettuce and some ketchup underneath, and it's on a whole wheat wellness wrap with like flax seeds. And then over here, sorry for the shadow, there's just some banana peppers and pickles, and then I have my kombucha. So this is what I'll usually typically have for like dinner, something like this, or like avocado toast, like I said, or like a veggie burger, something like that. But yeah, this is what I'm having for dinner, and then you guys will see like my little snack that I treat myself to. So for my little treat at night, I usually will love to have something like this. This is the Clio Vanilla Greek Yogurt Bar. There's 8 grams of protein, and it's so cute on the side, and everything is gluten-free, 140 calories, 8 grams of protein, like I said. And then, or I'll have like Hail Mary 6 gram of protein chocolate almond butter cups. It just depends on what I'm feeling for the night. So I think tonight I might have one of these, and I'll just have it as like my little snack before, like at nighttime while I watch like Game of Thrones or whatever I'm watching. I'll have this. The next thing that I usually will have is one of these. I have my everyday detox tea, which I'm going to get out. So yeah guys, I will have one of these before I go to bed. It's the Everyday Detox Lemon Tea. So yeah guys, I'm obsessed with this, and I will like have one of my snacks and like my tea, and it's just the best.